You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is the name of a semi-automatic rifle, as in the M1. The most common pronunciation in the US is as Garand, or rather I should say Garand. Garand is how people pronounce it. Now, many say that it actually should be pronounced as Garand because the weapon is named after a French Canadian, so it should be pronounced in French or more of a French way. And for reference, the French pronunciation is as Garand, Garand. So I've seen videos online saying that it actually should be pronounced Garand, but that's not even correct. Garand, Garand, if you want to pronounce it a bit closer to French, Garand, John Garand, then you should pronounce it as Garand. But I think maybe John pronounced his name as John Garand. So it's up to you. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.